Hello and welcome to Larissa's Kitchen. It's February in Baltimore, and as you can probably hear, it is pouring freezing rain. But I've got a dessert to warm your heart. I'm making Café Lait Cheesecake. This double-layered dessert is a bespoke cheesecake, which will take about an hour and a half to put together and the better part of a day to cool down, so plan ahead. Let's see what we're gonna need. Like all cheesecakes, we're starting with the crust first. This is another chocolate crust, but we're not using Oreo cookies. I'm using these Famous Chocolate Wafers. This is a 9-ounce package, and we'll be using half a cup of butter, and this is going to be melted. We'll be processing all of this in the food processor. While we're putting this filling together, that crust needs to refrigerate. All the usual ingredients for a cheesecake are here. We have cream cheese, eggs, sugar, vanilla, and a little bit of flour. We'll be flavoring half of this mixture with bittersweet chocolate, instant espresso, water, and coffee liqueur. As always, the ingredients are listed over here, as well as the full recipe and instructions in the description box below. First up, we're going to melt our chocolate, instant espresso, and water together. Then we'll be adding in the coffee liqueur. Let's make this cheesecake. If it's nothing but an ice skating rink outside. I've got cheesecake. Let's give this a taste. I'll get a little whipped cream on here. This is amazing. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Larissa's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.